how to manage groups, notifications, vibrates on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage groups, notifications, vibrates on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. Scroll down until you find vibrate, and now all you need to do is just if you want to make it short, click here, and you can make it long, click here. Just manage anything you want here and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.